Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to do an airplane mode glitch on Monopoly Go, then this video is for you. So Monopoly Go is a game of luck, so you can do some glitches to get some benefits from Monopoly Go. So here it are the simple steps, so how you can actually do the airplane mode glitch on the Monopoly Go. So after opening the Monopoly Go, activate airplane mode on your mobile device. This disconnects your device from cellular and Wi-Fi networks. Next, roll the dice as you normally would. Pay closer attention to the result of your rolls. If you are satisfied with the dice rolls, then turn off APM and allow the game to sync with its server and keep the roll. On Android devices, clear the app's data through the device's settings. On iOS device, uninstall and then reinstall the app Monopoly Go app. After attempting to reset the game, disable airplane mode and relaunch Monopoly Go. Then repeat the process until you get the desired rolls. So that's how you can simply easily do the airplane mode glitch to get the dice roll in your favor. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.